Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about some important questions from the last chapter of ethics and values, that is women and property rights. So let us start today's class. First question: what do you mean by property rights? ସମ୍ପତ୍ତିଗତ ଅଧିକାର କହିଲେ କ'ଣ ବୁଝ? Answer is property rights include the legal right to acquire, own, transfer and sell property. Both sons and daughters have equal right on property of their parents. Second question: write notes on women and property rights. Answer is women have equal right with men over family's property. Both are creators of property, so both should own and use property in equal manner. But in many places, women's property rights are restricted by traditions and social customs. Next question: what ethical principles are involved in women's property rights? Explain. Answer is women and men have equal rights over property as members of the society. We need to give up the wrong thinking that property is created only by men and they have exclusive rights over them. Women equally create property and therefore they should have equal rights over them. When women can enjoy their rights over inheritance and property, then it will lead to their real empowerment. So, women have equal right with men over family's property. Both are creators of property, so both should own and use property in an equal manner. Next question: how property rights of women are restricted or violated in our society? Answer is in many countries, women's property rights are restricted by norms, religious traditions and social customs. In India, property is treated as the monopoly of the men. Women are deprived of property rights. Even today, property always in the names of their fathers or in the names of their husbands. Property is rarely acquired by women. We have heard that in past, daughters had no share in their parents' property. Married women had almost no rights to their parental property. Widows lived at the mercy of their sons and other male members of their in-laws' family.